I am Ella Adeleke. Welcome to our hub. Feel free. Welcome to the 30th edition of Happy Weekend Podcast. Thanks for always staying tuned. In today's edition, we'll continue with the topic, your intuition. How to make best use of your inner voice. Before we continue, remember, in following your heart, you need directions. Now, starting where we left off, the dictionary defines intuition as the immediate cognition without the use of conscious rational processes. In other words, intuition is the immediate knowing, is the immediate process of knowing without the use of a mental explanation. One feature of intuition is that it has no mental explanation because it comes directly from your heart. So it means when you receive an intuition about something, an intuition to do something, it comes directly from your heart, even before your mind or your head start to process it. So intuition is a thing of the heart, not of the mind. Another feature of intuition is that it is emotionally free. According to Christina Lopez, a life coach on intuition, she said, and I quote, pure intuition is emotionally neutral. That means when you receive an intuition, the initial spark of intuition is not attached to your feeling, it's not attached to your emotion, it's not even attached to your past experiences. It does come directly from your heart. You just know this is right or this is wrong. You might not know the full details at that moment, but when you receive an intuition, when an inner voice is telling you to do something, or do that, or do otherwise, you just know this is real, even without your emotion or your feelings playing in the scene. So in really using your intuition to making decisions, you can't afford to go wrong. So we really need to understand how intuition works to make the best use of it.